What's going on, guys? South County Scratcher is hanging out today with you all. We have a special event. So, we, as you guys know it, have two $30 tickets over here in Missouri. We have a golden ticket, and we have a cash explosion. So, what I thought would be awesome to do, that we've been on the whole, 10 in a row of the $5 tickets, stuff like that. Why not do a showdown of these guys? We have number 7 all the way down to 000 on both. Now, ticket book for the cash explosion 155845. So it's a higher number book, and the golden ticket is all the way up to 636 837. Now I have scratched a couple higher than this, 650 660 area, but I would only assume that the cash explosions are trumping these guys, so that's why these are moving slower. So what we're going to do, I'm going to split this up into a couple different videos. That way you're not sitting here for an hour and some odd minutes trying to, keep yourself still while you watch the whole thing. So since we have 8 of each, we have 16 tickets in total, I think I'm going to do 4 different videos. So let's try, and I kind of want to gauge and see, how far along we are after, 3 or 4 of these. My goal is to hit around 10 minutes of video, just because it's what I see most of these people on YouTube, all the different channels. That's like the median, really, and I've experimented with it myself. Anything longer than that, I watch people just kind of lose interest. So we're going to start with 007 on the cash explosion. So this will be 4 of these guys, and then we will do 4 of these tomorrow. So we'll see if the showdown between the two, which one will come out on top. If you guys in the comments below want to guess which one will come out on top, very, very intrigued to see what you guys think. So let's get down to business, guys. We've got the rules right here. It's a matching numbers game. We have the bill symbol to win automatically, 2x and 10x. Those are your multipliers. Those will multiply your prize by 2 or by 10. Sorry guys, I'm trying to move the stuff off the table that shakes whenever I scratch. That way you guys aren't listening to a knocking, if you will. So, where was I? Alright, so we've got the 500 instantly, which is the star, and then the cash symbol wins all 30 prizes. So, let's go ahead and start number 7. And we're going to scratch off the winning numbers first. And those are the ones that we are looking to match. First row, 35, 49, 34 and 39, and 9. 28, 659, 25 and 46. I don't think anything there. 33, 17, 42, 38, and 1. Alright, bottom half of the ticket. 56, 31 and 30, 4 and 55. Alright. 36, 14. Hey, we've got a 14. So we've got a single matched. We have a 52, 29, 11. Nope, just that 14. Alright, 37. We have a 37, no 5. 51, no 51, 45, and a 7. So it looks to be the 37 and the 14. Let's see what the first ticket brings us. There's a 10 and a 50. All right. So we have a $60 win here. Sorry, I'm brushing off the ticket here, guys. So 50 and 10 is 60. So the cash explosions start off with a bang. $60 winner. Moving on now to ticket number 6. Let's symbol hunt on this one. Alright, no symbols there. Again, guys, we are looking for the dollar bill, the 10x, the 2x, the cash symbol, or that star. Now, the star is like the gold bar on the golden ticket. Star gets you 500 bucks. Alright, so no symbols. Let's see if we can get a win through the numbers. 33, 17, 1854. No 18, no 54. See a 45. 4856. See a 26, 46. No. 9, 14, and 15. And a 55. Alright, so it looks like this one is a loser. I will scan just to make sure I didn't miss anything. So far, 1 winner, 1 loser. Ticket number 5. We'll do some symbol hunting here. 58, 57, 37, 26, 21. Yeah, so far on this ticket, there's a 60. Hopefully that 60 comes through. Hey, look at that. It sure does. Alright, so just the win symbol. See if we can match it with something else. Alright, 3 and a 5. I do not see. 44, 48. No 44 or 48. 45. No 45. 47 and 7. No 47 or 7. 11 I don't see either. 29 and 30. 29. Okay. So nothing as far as other matches go. Let's see what the single win is. Small zeros for 40. Alright, so far, 3 tickets, we've got $100 back. We'll stick that up there. On to ticket number 4. Ticket number 4 here, guys. And again, these are all from the same pack. Just trying to see which one is better. I could have done a 1-ticket showdown, but you know what? That wouldn't be fun. We always have to keep it interesting, right? 54, 12, 43, 36, and 34. Alright. Alright, 15, 55, 6, and 48, and 50. Alright, no 50. 22, 24, 26, 19 and 16, alright, 28, 39, 33, 17, 32. Alright, 2 more rows here, guys. Nine, 38, 27, and 30. Number 1, 49, 23, 13, 31, and 57. Alright, well, it looks like we can end video number 1 with 2 losers and 2 winners. So, I will bring these over here. We had a $40 win on ticket number 5, and then a $60 win on ticket number 7. So, $100 all in all for 4 tickets. So 3, 6, 9, that's $120. Got back 100. Not horrible. Alright guys, I thank you very much for coming in, checking the videos out. I appreciate every single one of you. We are nearing that 4,000 mark faster than I thought we were. So definitely be on the lookout for the next giveaway whenever we hit that 4,000 mark. Congratulations to the congratulations to the winners, guys. I appreciate it. I will be in contact with you if I haven't gotten a hold of you yet, and we'll see what you want to do with the $30 session and the $20 session. So I will try and keep putting these videos up with those. So just be looking out for everything, guys. Make sure you turn that notification bell on. That way you get all the notifications whenever I pop my videos up. And I'll be seeing you soon, guys. We will scratch these last 4 of the book. All right, have a great night, guys. See ya.